Are you looking to streamline your workflows with Process.st's calendar feature? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get the most out of it. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share how you can access an exclusive free trial to Process.st with some great bonuses to kickstart your productivity. First things first, the calendar feature in Process.st is designed to help you easily schedule and track tasks across your team, keeping everyone on the same page. Whether you're managing a team of 1 or 20, this tool ensures that no task is missed, and every deadline is met. When you create a task in Process.st, you can assign specific due dates directly from within the task itself. By setting up the calendar integration, these tasks automatically appear in a visually organized calendar view. This is perfect for keeping track of recurring tasks or one-time projects. To start, you'll want to navigate to the Calendar tab in your Process.st dashboard. From there, you can add new tasks or view existing ones. It's a drag-and-drop interface, making it simple to reschedule tasks as needed. If you're working with a team, each person's tasks are color-coded based on their name, which gives you a quick visual overview of who's doing what. Another cool feature is the ability to sync your Process.st calendar with Google Calendar, so you can see all of your tasks in one place alongside your personal events. This integration saves you time and ensures you're never juggling between different tools. But what really sets Process.st's calendar feature apart is how it integrates with checklists and workflows. Let's say you're using Process.st to manage a sales pipeline, for instance. You can create a workflow with steps for each stage of your process, set specific due dates for each step, and have them automatically appear in the calendar view. If you miss a deadline, you'll get a notification which helps prevent anything from slipping through the cracks. And here's the thing, if you're running multiple processes simultaneously, you can filter your calendar by project or workflow. This lets you see exactly which tasks need your attention without getting overwhelmed by the clutter. Now, let's talk about recurring tasks. With Process.st, you can easily set up tasks that repeat daily, weekly, or monthly, and these will automatically populate in your calendar according to the schedule you set. This is ideal for recurring events or tasks like weekly reports or monthly meetings, ensuring you never forget them. Before I wrap up, let me remind you, Process.st isn't just for project management. You can use it for a variety of purposes, from tracking team goals to managing client work and everything in between. It's a simple yet powerful tool that's designed to improve productivity and efficiency for teams of all sizes. Lastly, as I promised, you can try out Process.st for free through the first link in the description. Not only will you get access to the software, but you'll also unlock exclusive bonuses to help you get started right away. So, there you have it, how to use Process.st's calendar feature to its full potential. It's a game changer for anyone looking to improve workflow management. Make sure to grab that extended free trial below and start getting organized today.